Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, I'm showing you here my trading sessions and step by step how I'm getting my result. And if you're a passionate trader just like me, then you should put a big thumbs up to this video, subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss my new videos. I will start to trade with just $5 on my deposit, and before we start I just want to tell you something, that trading is all about experience. And if you did several attempts and you have more loss than you have profit, it's totally fine because you just started your journey. You shouldn't give up just there. Everybody starts from it. You just have to train and trade as much as possible. And eventually you overcome your struggles, you will find your own way into trading, and you will definitely get the profit you dream about. And of course, my channel and my videos will help you on this journey. So guys, I'm super excited for our trading session today. Let's get started. So guys, today I will trade using strategy based on technical analysis, which means it's work on resistance and support levels, also uptrends, downtrends, and other patterns in market situations. So we will search with you today working situations and try to work on them. So be sure to watch this video till the end. Maybe you will like my strategy and you will use it on your own trading. And I will show you the situations which I understand and I'm good at and which I'm the best at. So just the moment, I already see the first entry point and I will explain it to you. Here we see that there was an impulse breakout of the level by good confident red candles, and at the moment the price has stopped. In such situation, I will open a deal for 1 minute to go up. I think that after a confident impulse breakout of the level, there will be a corrective movement and a pullback in the opposite direction. As a rule, the selected situation fulfills itself exactly like this. 1 minute in such situation will be quite enough for us. Just at the moment we see good confident and green candles are beginning to form. So guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Great guys, we have just worked on the correction after breaking through the support level. This is where we make a profit. Not a bad start. Let's continue and find another situation in the market. Here we see that there is a good confident uptrend, also there is still space to reach this resistance level. In this situation, we'll open the deal for 2 minutes to go up on an uptrend. And it is more likely that the price will continue to move towards the level because the price has an excellent potential to increase. It is also quite possible that this level will be broken since the level is internal and the main resistance level is slightly higher. The price is moving slowly but confidently. I think 2 minutes here will be quite enough for us, and so guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Great guys, well, the price continued to move up, the internal level was also breached. This is where we make a profit. The price continues to move toward the main resistance level. We can try to open the next deal with you here. Now I'm going to watch the price a little bit and we will continue. So guys, we see that after the impulse movement up, the price rolled back down, and here I propose to open a deal for 3 minutes to go up. I think that in the near future the price will still continue to move towards the main resistance level. I think that 3 minutes here will be quite enough for us, even taking into account the possible pro trade. And so guys, let's wait for the result. Well guys, quite good. As you can see, the price really got into the pro trading zone, but after that the upward movement continued and we are making profit here. 3 minutes in this situation was just enough and we managed to work with you on this particular movement. The situations work themselves out perfectly, and let's continue considering another situation in the market. Here we see that there was a good confident uptrend. After the first touch of the resistance level, there was a pullback down, and after the pullback the price turned around and is approaching our level again. Here I propose to open a deal for 2 minutes to go up. Since the price has an excellent potential for an increase, the main price lows become higher. It is more likely that the price will continue to move towards the level. It is also quite possible that it will be breached. I think that 2 minutes in this situation will be quite enough for us, even taking into account the possible pro trade. And so guys, let's wait for the result. Great guys, the price continued to move up and the level was broken by a good impulse green candle. Here I get a great and confident profit. The situations work themselves out perfectly. The price has an extra potential to increase. So we just have worked on a breaking through the resistance level. Let's continue and consider another situation on the market. So guys, the situation is similar here. There was also a good confident uptrend. After the first touch of the resistance level, there was a pullback down, and after a while the price turned around and moved back to our level. Also there is still space to the resistance level. We'll also open a deal for 2 minutes to go up. The price has an excellent potential to increase. It is quite possible that the price will continue to move towards the level. The price has been moving quite confidently lately. I think 2 minutes here will be quite enough. Even if this level is not broken, the price will at least simply continue to move towards the level. So guys, let's wait for the result. And so guys, quite good. The price fell into the pro trading zone, but still the upward movement continues, so we can open the next deal here. So we open a deal for 2 minutes up. We see that after pro trading there was an exit and the price is confidently moving to the level. I think that we will have time to work with you on this particular movement. So guys, let's wait for the result. Great guys, after the rollback, the upward movement continued to the resistance level. This is where we make a profit. In this situation, we have managed to work with you exactly on the price movement to the level. So far, everything is going well. Let's continue. Here we see that there was an upward movement. There is also a resistance level at the top. At the moment there is a certain level compression. I think it will be broken in the near future. We'll open a deal for 2 minutes to go up. I think that 2 minutes will be quite enough, and we will take into account possible pro trade. We also see that there has already been a false breakout of the level. This is the place where the wick of the red candle goes beyond the level. And so guys, let's wait for the result. Great guys, after a little pro trading, the upward movement continued. The level has been broken and we are making profit. The price has an extra potential to go up, and so guys, everything is going great. Let's continue. Here we see that there was an impulsive confident upward movement. I suggest opening a deal for 1 minute to go down. Just after the impulsive confident upward movement, a red candle began to form. I think that in the near future, after an impulsive approach to the level as well as an impulse breakout, there will be a corrective movement and a pullback in the opposite direction. As a rule, in such situation, 1 minute here will be quite enough. We just see that at the moment the good confident red candles are beginning to form, and so guys, let's wait for the result. Great guys, these patterns work perfectly. I have just worked out a correction after breaking through the resistance level, and let's continue consider another situation. Here at the top we have a resistance level. We also see that at the moment there is an upward movement. The price is approaching our level. Here I propose to open a deal for 2 minutes to go up. I think that the price will continue to move towards the level. It is also quite possible that it will be breached, since the price also has a good potential for an increase and the main price lows are also getting higher. I think 2 minutes here will be quite enough for us, and so guys, let's wait for the result. Great guys, the price continued to move towards the level. This is where we make a profit. Also at the moment the price is already starting to break through it. We have just worked out on the approach of the price to the level as well as on the further breaking. So guys, let's consider another situation. Here we see that there was a good confident uptrend. After touching the resistance level, there was a pullback down, and after the pullback the price turned around and again approached our level. There is kind of compression. Here we'll open a deal for 2 minutes to go up. The price has an excellent potential to go up. I think that in the near future the price will break through this level and continue its upward movement. 2 minutes also is a margin, take into account possible pro trade, and so guys, let's wait for the result. Well guys, quite good. The price is moving slowly but confidently. This level was still broken through and we managed to work with you on this movement. So guys, it's perfect. Let's continue. Here at the top we have a resistance level. We also see that at the moment there is a good confident upward movement. There is still space to reach the resistance level. We will open a deal for 2 minutes to go up. I think that in the near future the price will continue to move towards the level. 2 minutes also is the margin, taking into account possible pro trade or a rollback down. We see that at the moment the price is just continuing to move towards the level. I think 2 minutes here will be quite enough for us, and so guys, let's wait for the result. Great guys, the price continued to move up and we make a profit. The price has an excellent potential to increase. I have just worked out on the approach to the level, and yeah, just let's consider another situation on the market. Here we have a resistance level. We also see that after the first touch of the level there was a pullback down, and after the pullback the price is again approaching our level. Also the main price lows are getting higher. Here we'll open a deal for 2 minutes to go up. The price has an excellent potential to increase. I think that in the near future the price will continue to move up. It is also quite possible that this level will be broken just at the moment a good confident green candle is beginning to form, and so guys, let's wait for the result. Great guys, as you can see the price continued to move up with a good confident impulse green candle. This level has been broken. Also after the break-in there was a fading. The price starts to slow down. The candles became small. We can try to open the next deal here. I think that in this situation we will be able to work with you on the correction after breaking through the resistance level. A red candle is just beginning to form. Here we'll open a deal literally for 1 minute to go down. I think there will be at least a slight pullback down, and so guys, let's wait for the result. So guys, quite a dangerous moment, but still the downward movement continued and we made a profit. The closing point of our deal turned out to be lower than the opening point. This means that we are making profit. Still, there was a slight pullback down. A certain corrective movement has come. Meanwhile, I already have $5,000 on deposit, so I propose to open another last deal for today. Just I'm going to watch the price a bit, and perhaps we'll open the next deal here, because we see that the reversal is starting to happen. The price is mostly starting to move down, so I suggest opening the next deal here for 1 minute to go down. I think that downward movement will continue in the near future. We'll have time to work with you on this particular movement. So guys, let's wait for the result. Alright, quite good. The price still continued to move down and we made a profit. The price has slowed down, but still the closing point of our deal also turned out to be lower than the opening point. And this means that we are making profit again. I already have more than $6,000 on deposit, so I suggest we end here because I fulfill my plan for today. So I just fix the profit and leave the market. That's it for today, guys. You just saw that all the market situations are similar to each other. In the process of trading, similar situations occur quite often during the day. I personally practice on those situations which I know work best, and of course some deals are closing confidently and some deals are closing less confident. This is just the market here and everything is possible, so that's totally normal because the main point is I'm getting a profit. And there is nothing wrong to have loss either. If you trade following your risk of the money management as well as your trading plan, I trade more risky because I can afford it, so for me it's totally fine if something wrong happens and I lose my deposit in case of failure. But to you, my viewers, as well as the beginners, I advise you to stick to your trading plan and observe the risks of the money management because you're still studying and still learning, and you will be able to understand more clearly the market movement. And this will definitely help you to save your deposit. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, put a big thumbs up to this video if you still didn't put it yet, and turn the notification button so we always keep in touch. Also guys, I have a closed group where I'm sharing trading signals for free. It's our close community of passionate traders, and if you want to get into this group, just text me a code or signal on my Telegram account. I left the link down below. So guys, I will see you in the next video.